My name is Suanalong Ali.
Hello, my name is Nasuhat Lokbo.
Hello, my name is Surina Sama.
Morning, my name is Anira Hama Samani.
My name is Asmat Latte.
Today, we know a little bit in Tung Yang Dang, district, Pattani province. It is freshwater lake. We know this history of this place. Marvelous freshwater lake. Oh, you can change at the black swan because this area was formerly a dry swamp area in three provinces. Number one, Pattani, Yala, and Narathiwat. In three districts. Number one, Tung Yang Dang, Sisakot, and Raman. Watermelon plant of the Tung Yang Dang likely meet one southern area.
During the rainy season, from late November to the end of December every year, money floods from Tiandang nearby district and from Sisakon district, Narathiwat province, Raman district, Jala and the surrounding mountain make the water flow down to the pits. It is a beautiful nature.